I am in Wales for my very first time. I have not long arrived at the Quay Hotel and Spa in Wales, and I'm going to do a room tour, a hotel tour that I feel I haven't done in a very, very, very long time. This is the Quay Hotel and Spa. It's about I paid £215 for one night, which is pricey for a hotel, but it's very, very nice. I will put clips in throughout this whole video, as I always do, and I'm just about to show you the room. So I'm going to take a tour of this room. This is a classic double room, they're calling it, and there's a lot of things to show in regards to even like menus and whatnot, but you can see, of course, behind me the general layout of the room. But there is like a courtyard. I'm in one of the towers, so I'll put clips in as and when for that. But yeah, if you're just joining this channel, welcome. My name is Ian, aka MacBlogs. I am in Wales for something very special tomorrow, so that's why I'm staying here, and this was the best location that I could find for the best price for tonight, for today. So look out for tomorrow's video, which is something really cool, something special, something unique experience. So that's what's brought me here to Wales for the first time, and I'm not going to be staying in Wales for too long, but one day I will definitely be back in Wales, because the drive here was stunning, absolutely beautiful views. But yeah, let's get stuck into this room tour, this hotel tour, room tour, and show you what the room and the hotel has to offer. Let's go. Let's get into it. So coming through the door, so there is like a dual entrance, like, so there's the door that I shown just before you come in, which leads to two rooms. This door here leads to my room, and then of course coming in we'll get stuck in straight to the tour. So nice big double bed, looks very comfortable. I love the kind of headboard. Nice and clean, first impressions, nice and tidy. Straight to the sockets. Everyone wants to know, USBs, plug-in sockets right next to the bed as well, so convenient. You get a free pen and free pencil. I'm claiming that is a free pen, free pencil and paper. So it's been a long day. It has been a very long 2 days, to be fair, for myself. So yeah, pad and pencil. Old school phone. This is the view of a little courtyard that I have put clips in probably already. Nice little cool idea. We have the little towers. I am in tower 1. So yeah, general view. Same over there with the sockets, so USB points, double plug-in sockets, little floating shelves there, bedside lamps, lights. I do like the pictures up there as well, keeping it in theme, because there is a local marina right next to us, a marina right next to the hotel. So I'll try and put some clips in of that as well, which is very, very nice. Nice views as well, right next to the water. And over here in the corner we have the TV, nice size TV, Samsung TV, kettle with an assortment of stuff here. So we have some Dean's biscuits, what's that, Dean's shortbread, hot chocolate, some teas, green teas, and then coffees. Normal coffee and decaf, sugars, real mugs, milk with the kettle, complimentary water, I presume, because there's nothing to say that it's not complimentary. And the menu There is a nice restaurant, so it looks very, very fancy. If I managed to get a clip of that, because it was busy when I arrived, so it's not ideal to get a camera in there, but if I can I will put some clips in. But there is an overview, and then there's Cove Bar and Terrace as well. There's the opening times. And if you want to pause the video or screenshot the video, give you an idea of prices. There's a little deal going on. The spritz o'clock, £10 each, 3 to 5, if you enjoy that kind of stuff. And there is a QR code for the menus, if you want to book your table as well. So, yeah, good choices for food. There's also, of course, a spa. It's in the heading of the video, but also it is the Quay Hotel and Spa, so you can use the facilities, and then they're giving you a discount as well. My booking did include the spa, I believe, not the treatments, and also I get breakfast included in the price as well for myself, so just double check that for your booking. So storage, nice big wardrobe here, plenty of hangers, hanging space, extra cover, a light cover up there. Is that a cover? It looks like that. It looks like a robe. Yeah, the blanket, ironing board, iron. Is there a safe? There is a safe here, so hairdryer and safe. So small safe, but seems deep enough to get a few things in there. Let's go into the bathroom. Very big. This space is huge. Very, very, very big bathroom. Look at this. Wow. I don't know if the camera's really going to pick up how big that is, but that's massive. This is massive. Huge space. Over here is a bath with a shower. So the shower over the bath. We have complimentary shampoo, body wash and hair conditioner. H2K Botanicals. You can use that for my hair, that's thinning. Soap, hydrating vegan soap. Nice mirror with me. Yeah, that's got everything I need, to be honest. There's not a lot to cover. The only thing is there is no fridge. I always say it when it comes to any hotel room. I think every hotel should have a fridge, especially with this one coming across very, very fancy. First impressions when you drive in, and the room as well. Of course it looks very, very nice, but the hotel, the reception is stunning as soon as you walk in as well, with the setup with the couches and everything. So, but yeah, why is there no fridge in a hotel like this? And quite a lot of hotels, to be honest. I know I haven't done hotel tours for a very, very long time, but I wanted to do this one because I'm not sure when I'll be back in Wales, and I'm here for the weekend or for one night, and why not? Why not bring this if you find it useful? But yeah, I don't really know what else to say. It's got everything you need. Little desk, did maybe miss that. Chair there, you can work on if you need to. But that's really it. I'm not going to go into too much more detail because there's nothing else really to see. I will put clips in of the hotel itself, the marina, the area, and the Wi-Fi as well is free Wi-Fi. There's no password for the Wi-Fi from what I remember. Yeah, really nice. But like I say, I'll put pictures over on my social media so you want to check them out on Instagram, Facebook, all that stuff. But hopefully you find this video useful. I don't think I've missed anything out. I keep saying that because sometimes I do miss things, like the mirror, for example. A nice light mirror, light up mirror with double socket, plug-in double socket over here as well. A fan, how can I miss the fan? Especially when it's very, very warm just now as well, in this summer that we're having, so that can come in handy. But yeah, that truly is it. That is everything that's in this room, and like I say, I will try and show as much as I can of the hotel as well. So yeah, hope you found that useful. You know what to do, like, check out other videos. Quite an awesome video coming tomorrow. Depending on when you watch this video, then that video could have been out for a year. But yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you everyone for the support on this channel, and I hope you're all well. Until the next video, take care. Bye for now.